So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up Zoho Desk on Zoho CRM. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now select this first website that will arrive. Log into your account right here. Select this profile icon and now select Access Zoho CRM. Now go with this settings icon. Choose Zoho option. Scroll down and you can see this setup now button under the Zoho Desk section. Now click on this and select the get started button. Now you just need to select your portal name for your Zoho Desk, and after that you just need to select this button right here called next, and now you have successfully created your Zoho Desk on your Zoho CRM account. So that's how you guys can able to create your Zoho Desk on Zoho CRM platform. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.